Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and in today's video tutorial I'm going to demonstrate that you can save video on Pinterest. So that's a very simple and straightforward thing to do. First of all, find the pin that is the video that you would like to save. So let's say I'll go with this one, open it, and just hit that save button over here. And once you do that, this pin, thus this video, will be saved to your Pinterest collection. Here it is in my case. If you are interested in learning how to download this video instead of just saving it to your Pinterest gallery, or so you want to download the video from Pinterest app to your phone memory or internal storage, we have the whole separate video on this topic as well, so make sure to check it out. Alrighty, so that will be it, and I'll see you around.